So I'm going to talk about how to create a WordPress account. Basically, it'll send you an email. Click on the link. Once you get there, you're ready to create your blog. Okay? So the thing is, I'm going to show you how to make your blog into a website, because most people use WordPress to design websites, not blogs. You already know what a blog is. It looks just like your Blogger. So what I'm going to do is call it something like Geek Out Dubo. All right? Name your blog. I'll say Geek Out on WordPress. I don't know. Whatever your Minecraft or whatever it is. I want my blog to be viewable to everyone, and obviously I want the free. Okay? Is yours. Change your blog's theme. That might be a good idea. So what theme do I want to have? I'm going to use the basic one, okay? But you're going to notice there are several, and I'll let you play around with that. And there are theme options, etc. So I'm going to leave it to this. So the first step, guys, this is really complicated, okay? So you need to be paying attention. If you're not, go for a walk, because I don't want to have to explain this 10 times. So you need to go to your settings. First thing. Okay? Click on reading. And you see right away here, I want to make this into a website. So my first page is not my blog, but it's going to be the About page, which is the default. Okay? And later on, you can come here and change this. So I'm going to leave everything like this, and I'm going to click Save Changes. And I'm going to go to, I want to just show you something that now exists in Blogger, but it's really, really new. Posts are your blog. Posts are like what you guys have been doing in Blogger all semester. So every time you post, it goes to the top, and then the thing that was older goes to the bottom, and goes to the bottom, and it goes to the, okay? That's called your blog roll. Pages, well, pages are the website. And what I want you to do for this Geek Out is make pages. Now you could add a blog in if you wanted to, but really, like, you have a lot of work, so I don't know if you'll have that much time to blog. So I'm going to go here. All pages shows me all the pages I currently have in my website, which is only one. So if I want to create a new page, well, it's pretty easy. I just click Add New, and I'm going to type, my first title is Introduction to my Geek Out, okay? And I do blah, 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 okay? And same thing as usual, if I want to do HTML, I click on text over here. I paste my code over here. So they did that in here. It says text, but it should be HTML. The thing that's interesting is Blogger copied a lot of the features from WordPress, not the other way around. So Google picked WordPress as the thing that they kind of, I don't want to say copied, but they copied it. Let's just call it what it is. And so when I'm done, I want to show you something here. If you have a page with several kind of like sub-pages, it will have like, you can change this. But for now, what I'm going to do is you can preview it. And there's nothing really to see because I wrote nothing. And I'm going to click Publish. So that's my first page. Now I'm going to create a second page. My next page is going to be called Screencast. This is the next thing I want you to have. Screencast. Okay? So you will have to embed your video. You will have to upload your video, and then all you do is you paste the URL here. So if I went to YouTube and got a URL, I would just paste it in here. So I'll write paste URL. I can't even spell paste. Paste URL here. And you might want to have a description. It's up to you. And here, I want to just show you what changed here. If I clicked on this, it would make this the parent page and make this the child page. But for in your case, for now, let's just keep it all in the main section. Let's go see, let's go preview our web page. You see what's happening? Boom and boom. Okay, they're showing up like this. The home page is going to be my about page, but I can get rid of that if I want to. Let's go back. I'm going to go back to, and my last page, how do I add it? I go add new. And the last page is a reflection. Okay? And if you go to your Google Doc, reflect on how you think other students could use this tool. Include any reflection on what you learned while learning this project. Could you be a little bit less loud? That'd be appreciated. Thanks. Like, holy frig. Is he okay or what? He's barely alive. Okay. So there you go. Now there's a whole bunch of extra features in here. If you're ahead, you can start playing around with them. One of the main things about WordPress is that it's extremely powerful. There are widgets that you can add. Normally you see something called plugins. These are already all built into it since it's the beginner WordPress version. It's sort of like learn to walk before you can run type of thing. Okay? So you can start playing around with stuff. It's much easier to add users than Blogger is as far as I'm concerned. And we haven't even done that with Blogger yet. So then you're done. I'm going to update this. And when you're done with your site, you will have to upload it to Blogger, ironically. All right? So the link that is. So you take the link, which in my case is this. Control C. Go to Blogger and just paste it in there. Okay? That way I can go get it easily. Any questions? Let me just stop this. I'm up to 7 minutes.